Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how on Windows 11 you can make it where you can see other computers that are on your network if they're not showing up right now. So let's jump over to the computer and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to click on Start and then you want to go into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to click on Network and Internet on the left side, and then you want to click on Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Once you click on it, you can see that you can either choose a public network or a private network. The public is going to keep all your information secure, your file sharing, your folder sharing, your printer sharing. None of that will show up on anybody else that's connected to the network. But if you go and you select private network, this is where you can set up all the file sharing, the folder sharing, and the printer sharing so that other people in your network would be able to see those. So try that out. Hope that helps. Thanks so much, everybody. I hope that was helpful on how you can see other computers on your Windows 11 network. So until next time, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you then. Bye.